If you have some side columns on your pages and you want to rearrange those side columns, you can just click on this icon here. This will show you if you have one or more on the page. If you want to rearrange them, you can just click the blue arrows and drag them up or drag them down, and it will rearrange them on the site. If you want to edit the actual content of the side columns, you can go up to Administrator, do Side Column. You have some options here that are the same as when you edit pages. So you can go click on the blue wrench. You can change the title, editable, yes and no. The biggest thing is to assign it to a page. So as you can see here, it's on 3 pages already. But if you want, you can add it to another one. We'll add it to, and do add to page. And so here it showed up down here. So now it's on these 4 pages. The nice thing about side columns is that when you edit the side column through here, it will change it on all 4 pages. So you won't have to go into each page and edit the side column. Now if you want to remove it from a page, you can just click on the red X. It says, "Are you sure?" Hit OK. And it has now been removed from that page. If you want to edit the actual content, you can click on the edit icon. And a lot of the same buttons will show up here. So you can add text and links, whatever you'd like to do. If you want to deactivate one, you can just click on the red icon. And when you do that, it will throw it down here. And same sort of thing with pages. It won't delete it. But if you'd like to reactivate it, you can by just clicking, let's see here. Deactivate the page. And so see, if you want to reactivate it again, you can just click on the green icon. And then it goes back on top.